Tipster Digital Chat Station has shared what is claimed to be the latest render of the OPPO Find X9. OPPO is moving away from the large circular camera module seen in previous generations, like the Find X8 and Find X7 series. The Find X9's render reveals a rectangular camera housing placed at the top left corner, which is expected to make the phone appear more balanced and elegant. Just days after the Find X9 Pro specs leaked, the Find X9 or X9 Plus has now been detailed. According to the source, Find X9 would get a 6.3-inch screen, while a new Find X9 Plus would have a 6.59-inch panel. This screen will offer a 1.5K resolution, symmetrical bezels, and a modern, flat design for improved usability. It will also include an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor. The device will be powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 9500 SoC, up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM, up to 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage. On the rear is a 50MP main camera with OIS, using Sony's Lisha LYT808 sensor, a 50MP ultrawide using Samsung's ISOCELL JN5 sensor, and a 50MP periscope telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. A 50MP camera using Samsung's ISOCELL JN1 sensor for selfies. Keeping the lights on will apparently be a 7025 mAh battery, with support for 80W wired and 50W wireless charging. The OPPO Find X9, Find X9 Plus, and Find X9 Pro are all rumored to be launching in October. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.